bucks, 95.
50 bucks.
Yeah. Okay, so today we're going to a house that's like 1 meter away from my house. So we put a budget on it. I usually put in fuel before I go and list the house, so that it works accordingly to my budget. So if I put in 50 bucks, then you know I'm going to a surrounding area. But if I'm putting like 200 bucks, then you know I'm going to a place like Santon or like 30 kilometers away from me. Okay, so we're here in Benoni. We're going to list the house for 1.8 million rand. It's a 3-bedroom. It's got 1 dining room, it's got 1 lounge, it's got 1 bathroom. And take a look around the street of Benoni. We've got a hospital here, we've got a mall around here, and we've got a school as well. This is not your high-end area, but come let's have a look. So we'll start off with the main bedroom. The main bedroom has massive built-in beds, which is quite spacious as well. I like that you can actually relax. You have a mini lounge here while it's quite small and tiny. I guess it's for the baby that they have, but you can also turn this into an office if you're a small family of 1 or 2, or make it a study. But also, as I said, I love the colors and the paint. It's quite friendly and cozy. Wow. Just have a look at the shower. How amazing is that? This is massive. This is absolutely massive. Okay, so the entire house it's got wooden floors except for the bathroom. The bathroom's got tiled floors, just noting that. We've got a bathtub here as well. Basin. Quite modern features. Look at that, it's quite cool. I wonder if that's included in the sale. Anyways, so we'll go to the kitchen now. How amazing. That mini island. Wow, and it's got granite tops as well. I love the white. Such modern and contemporary features. And you can fit a single fridge, but unless you've got a really huge, massive fridge, you can just amend things around. Maybe put the fridge on the side. Alright, you see you've got a washing machine over there. You can just put in. You've got your dishwashers, enough space to fit in 2 dishwashers. Also granite tops, which is quite amazing. And we're gonna go outside, and I see there's a door there, but we'll find out later what that is. Spacious. Space is everything for a family, especially if you have dogs, cats, and children, and you've got people over for a braai maybe. You don't want to have, especially if it's a house, you don't want to have a house, it's a big house, but the space outside is small. You want to have an established garden. And you've got your 2 carports there. They're both covered, no garage at all, but I mean, you still have prevention from hail or whatever you come across. And you've got this whole driveway all the way to the gate. The gate is, you can adjust it to manual or automatic. At this point it's a manual because we have all the agents coming in trying to list the house. And yeah, guys, the entire house, 1.8 million, 3-bedroom, 1 bathroom, 1 lounge, I think it's amazing. Have you seen the kitchen? Oh my goodness, the kitchen is amazing. I like that it's got the granite tops, but it's also got a very feel to it's got a sense to a coziness and family, and I really love this house. I really like that listing. I think it's not the best listing, to be honest. Like, I've been to like massive houses where like it just blows your mind away. But if you're looking for a home, you know, something friendly, cozy, and normal, I think that's the perfect house to go for. Is I've got a daily routine, which is quite important, especially if you're a real estate agent or an entrepreneur, whatever business field you're doing. I think generally most of the guys that have made it do this on a daily basis. But you wake up and you read anything, whether it's reading a book about finances, a book about your health, a book about you know, succeeding in whatever you want to do, well-being. So anything that can just equip your mindset in the morning, do it. And I think reading is the best activity. Also, you can, what I also do as well is I don't gym. I believe that people need to gym, especially if you want to keep a healthy mind, healthy body. I do try a lot. I do procrastinate sometimes. I just do 10 push-ups or 20 push-ups, but I prefer reading more than gymming, because when you read, you feel so refreshed. It's like law of attraction. You just attract positivity, and you feel that positiveness in you, you know, just after reading a book, because you learn something new, and you feel so ready and prepared to face the rest of the day. So I think that's just my 2 cents on what realtors should focus on. But yeah, basically, let me not sidetrack the viewers, but I read, I wake up, I read, and then I get ready for the day. I look at my listing sheet, which house I'm going to list and which house I think can sell. Okay guys, looking to buy, sell, or rent your property, I'm your guy to call. Just catch me on my phone number and email address, and then catch me on my personal account if you want to see what I get up to on a daily basis, and my business account as well, Libertalia, and you can basically see everything that has to do with real estate, investments, financial markets, and one of the most beautiful houses in South Africa. Thanks.